Next topic is making a socialist society. During the civil war, the Bolshevik kept industries and banks nationalized. So during the civil war, Bolshevik party, they kept industries and banks nationalized. That means here the word nationalized means the Bolshevik party will have the whole authority to deal with industry sector and the bank sector. They permitted peasants to cultivate the land that had been socialized. So they permitted to all the peasants, that is farmers, to cultivate the land that was being given to them by the Bolshevik party. Bolshevik used confiscated land to demonstrate what collective work could be. So Bolshevik party, they captured all the lands, okay, so that they can demonstrate about the work which they can do together with the help of the whole community. A process of centralized planning was introduced. So a centralized planning system was introduced. Officials assessed how the economy could work and set targets for 5-year period. So different types of officers, they made a planning so that they can develop the economy, okay, and even they have set targets for the upcoming next 5 years so that they can develop the economy of the country. On this basis, they made the first year plan. So on this basis, they made the 5-year plan. The government fixed all prices to promote industrial growth during the first two plans. Okay, that is 1927 to 1932 and 1933 till 1938. So the Bolshevik party, they have fixed the price of all the commodities, especially to promote the industrial growth during the first two plans, that is from 1927 till 1932, 5 years, and again 5 years, that is 1933 till 1938. Centralized planning lead to economic growth. So centralized planning, with the help of the planning which were made at the central, that is by the Bolshevik party, it finally lead to the economic development of the country. Industrial production increased between 1929 and 1933 by 100% in the case of oil, coal and steel. So the industrial production, that means their production increased from 100%, especially in the case of oil, coal and steel. New factory cities came into being. So new different types of industries was established, okay, and now it was the growth of the industries in the country was at a high speed. However, rapid construction lead to poor working conditions. So though there was a rapid construction for the constructing different types of industries and factories, due to which the working condition of the workers were you can say poor. In the city of Magnitocox, the construction of a steel plant was achieved in 3 years. So in a city known as Magnitocox, okay, the construction of steel plants was achieved within 3 years. They have targeted for 5 years, but within 3 years they have completed the construction of steel plant. Workers lived hard lives, and the result was 550 stoppages of work in the first year alone. So though the industry's development was taking at a very high speed, right, but the condition of the workers were very poor, due to which different types of, you can say, more than 550 breaks were done so that the workers can get rest. In living quarters in the winter time at 40 degrees below, people had to climb down from the 4th floor and dash across the street in order to go to the toilet. So the condition of the workers was very you can say bad, because they were provided with quarters, okay, and especially in the winter time the degree was minus 40 degree, okay, due to which the people have to climb down from the 4th floor, okay, and they have to go to the street so that they can go to toilet. So this was the condition of the workers. An extended schooling system developed, and arrangements were made for factory workers and peasants to enter universities. So you can say school system was expanded, okay, and they were developed, and even different types of arrangements were made for the factory workers and peasants so that they can enter the universities and get education. Creches were established in factories for the children of women workers. So different types of creches, in Hindi it is said palna, okay, was established in the factories for those you can say working women who bring their children with them. Cheap public health care was provided. So public health was provided, but it was at a very cheap rate. Model living quarters were set up for workers. So you can say average type of living quarters were set up where the workers can live. The effects of all this was uneven, though, since government resources were limited. So the you can say effects were very limited. Why? Because the government, they have very limited resources. That's why the you can say facilities which were provided was very you can say very average. Here is a you can say picture in page number 43. Children at school in Soviet Russia in 1930s. They are studying the Soviet economy. So the students are studying in the Russia, okay, in the school. Next is a child in Magnitocox during the first 5-year plan. So a child who is doing the or working as a worker in the first 5-year plan, he is working for Russia. Next, factory dining hall in 1930s. So this was a dining hall where the workers were used to sit and have their lunch, which was provided by the different types of industries and factories.